All right. How's everybody doing today? Good, I hope.
Good.
All
Cold.
right. Cold, yeah. So, you guys are going to be kinder counters because this is a kindergarten lesson, and today we're going to be working in a fish shop today. So, all you're going to need is a piece of paper and a pencil, and if you want, you can use things you have around the house because we are going to be counting, and you can use manipulatives if you want to. So let's get into it. All right. So we got a fresh new delivery of fish. This is what we're going to be selling to everybody today. So first thing you got to do is check inventory, so we know exactly how much that we have. Let me get it going. All right. So what this is what you call it a tens frame, and it's going to help us count every single one of these fish. So what you do is you drag it in here, drag a fish in one of the spaces, and that's one, two. You can count with me if you want. Three,
Four.
four,
Four, five.
five. Five fish. Is that all we have, or do we have any more?
We have one.
And more.
One more. Okay. Six fish. What about these over here? Should we count those?
Yeah.
Yeah. We don't want them to spoil or anything or die. I'm pretty sure we're selling these fish while they're alive, not frozen fish. All right. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Seven,
6, 7, 8,
eight,
9, 10.
nine, 10.
10 fish. Five up here and five down here. Good. So now we're going to roll a dice and we're going to see how you guys can recognize the dice patterns on it. So I'm going to go to hope I can get it up here. A randomizer. Okay. So whatever number I roll it on, I'll be holding up, whatever number it represents. So that's four. We know this because we see 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And I want everybody to hold up their fingers or just show me some items that you have. Okay. Let's count these real quick. 1, 2,
Two,
3,
three.
4, 5. And it's kind of easy to recognize that this is five because we see these four in every single corner because it's a square. There's always going to be four corners. And we got that one eye in the middle. So can we hold up five? All right. So what's this one? Anybody know? Anybody want to count? Three? Okay, I see Alfredo. He has three blocks. Nice. I'll drop one. Angelique has three markers. I think I saw Sonia and Janet hold up three fingers. Okay, let's do it one more time. Nope, not doing that again. Nope. Nope. All right, that's a different one. How many is this? Okay, I'm seeing sixes, six markers. All right, how do we know this is six?
Because it
Did you
has
count or
three lines. I
three
mean, two
lines?
lines of three. Sorry.
So
Two,
you're
yeah,
you're
two lines.
so you know that six is two threes. Is that what you're saying? Six just made a two threes?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It's a pretty easy way to recognize it. I like that. All right, let's go back to our fish store. Oh, all right, there we go. All right. So here's our little aquarium. We have you can see the orange fish are the new one that we just got in inventory, all 10 of them. And we got some blue fish that we already had. And they kind of look like Nemo and Dory. All right. So we got some customers who want to buy some of these fish. Does anybody want to volunteer to be the customer?
Sure.
All right, Angelique, how many fish do you want?
7.
7 fish? All right, you get 7 orange fish. So where are we going to put the orange fish?
In the 10 frame at the
This
bottom.
frame. Okay.
2,
2,
3, 4, 5,
5,
6,
6,
7.
7. All right. So how do we know this is 7?
Because there's 3 boxes empty.
Okay, okay. So what do the 3 boxes mean? How does that tie into it being 7?
Because 3 minus 10 is 7.
Okay, so you're acknowledging that it's a tens frame and that 7 and 3 is just 10, and you know that 3 squares are empty. So that's 7 fish. All right, that's a good strategy. All right, let's get another customer. Who else wants to buy some fish?
Can I buy 3 fish? Blue fish in that.
3 blue fish. Let me just release these back into the aquarium. I think Angelique wanted to get a refund after that. All right. So we got 1 blue fish. We can add another one or
2
2,
and 3.
3. All right. So how do we know this is 3?
Because there are 7 spaces missing.
Okay. So just like Angelique's strategy, 10 is basically just 3 and 7, right?
Yes.
Okay. 7 empty spaces, 3 blue fish. All right. Let's put these back. Moving on. All right. So what I want you guys to do is draw, let's say 4 10 frames. I know that there's 10 dice patterns on here, and in an actual kindergarten class, I would actually hand out like 10 frames. But for the sake of time, we're only going to do 4 of these. And since I can't really give you guys 10 frames right now, just go ahead and draw 4 of them. And we're going to do numbers 5 through 8. Okay? So I'll give you guys a few minutes to do that. Now I want you to draw the 10 frames, and you can put circles in it or squares or fish, just whatever you want, whatever represents the number. And give me a thumbs up emoji whenever you finish. Okay. Angelique and Alfredo, we still working? Okay. All right. So now everybody show me your papers since we're all through. All right. Okay. Can you put yours a little closer, Janet? And Sonia? All right, all right. Okay. Good. And Alfredo, I like how you did your 6 a different way. You put 3 on the top and 3 on the bottom, right? Okay. So you guys got a good grasp of how to put these in your tens frames. That's good. So we also get to read a story for a little bit. I think I got 2 minutes left. So I'll just let it play through. Can you guys see and hear it? All right.
Mm.
I can't hear it.
What'd you say, Janet?
Oh, I can't hear the story.
Oh, you
Yeah.
can't hear the story? Oh,
Yeah,
okay,
there's no
okay.
audio.
All right, let me. All right, I'll just read a couple minutes of it. All right, 3 little fish and the big bad shark. Once upon a time, there lived a mama fish and her 3 little fish, Jim, Tim, and Kim. It is now time, said the mama, for each of you to make a home in the deep blue sea. So off they went. The first little fish named Jim. Oh, I wish I could get the audio playing. I only have a minute left, but actually, I'm done. Yeah, the time's up. Okay, but for the sake of time, I'll stop the video. In the actual kindergarten class, I'd have the whole story playing. But Zoom issues.